Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a BMW M4. We'll start by laying down the foundational shapes. First, lightly sketch a long, low rectangle for the main body, then add a smaller, angled rectangle on top for the cabin. Next, draw 2 circles for the wheels, making sure they align with the body's base. Finally, connect these basic shapes with gentle curves to establish the car's overall silhouette. This initial step is crucial for getting the proportions right. Now, let's bring out the M4's distinctive features. Carefully outline the iconic kidney grille at the front, making it a prominent focal point. Next, sketch the sleek, angled headlights on either side of the grille. Then, draw the distinct side character line that runs smoothly from the front fender to the rear. Finally, add the sporty shapes of the front and rear bumpers, giving your drawing more depth and realism. Moving on, let's focus on the finer elements. Refine your wheel circles and add intricate spokes to give them a detailed, realistic appearance. Next, draw the side windows, carefully following the upper curve of the cabin. Then, sketch the windshield and rear window, paying attention to their specific angles and proportions. Don't forget to add the side mirrors, ensuring they are proportionate to the car's overall size. These details truly bring the M4 to life. For our final steps, we'll refine and add depth to your M4 drawing. First, carefully erase any unnecessary guidelines to clean up your artwork. Next, add subtle shading to create depth and highlight the car's beautiful contours, especially around the body panels. Darken key lines, such as the wheel arches and the grille, for added emphasis. Finally, consider adding a light ground shadow beneath the car to give it a sense of weight and presence. You've done a fantastic job.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.